Hi everyone. First of all, my name is Vaibhav Thakre, and today's video topic is thread pool in Java. And today's date is 31st July 2024. Thread pool in Java. The thread pool reuses previously create the thread pool to execute the current task and offer the solution to the problem of thread cycle, overhead, and resources of threshing. And since the thread is already existing when the request arrived, the delay introduced the thread creation is eliminated, making the application more responsive. Java provides the executor framework, which is centered around the executor interface, its sub-interface, executor service, and the class thread pool executor, which implement both of these interface. By using the executor one only has to the implement the runnable has to the implement the runnable object and send them to the executor to execute. And they allow you take advantage of threading, but focus on the tasks that you want the thread to perform instead of thread machines. Mechanisms to use thread pool. We first create a object of executor service and pass the set of tasks to it. And thread pool executor class allow to set the core and maximum pool size. The runnable that run by the particular thread are executed sequentially, and thread are the create first of all create the object, and thread is executed. Rickson used thread pool deadlock, which deadlock can occur in the any multi-threaded program, and thread pools introduce another case of deadlock, and one in which all the executing threads are waiting of the result from the block thread waiting in the queue due to the unavailability of threads of for execution. And thread leakage occur if a thread is removed from the pool to execute a task but not return to it when the task completed. As the example, if the thread pool through an exception and pool class does not catch any exception, then the thread will simply exist, and reducing the size of the thread pool by 1. If this repeated many times, then the pool would eventually become empty and no thread would be available to execute other and resource threshing. If is the thread pool size is very large, then if time is the wastage in context switching but between threads. Having more threads than optimal numbers my cases conventional problem leading to resource threshing as explained. Um, does not queue task does not queue task can lead to situation of deadlock as described above. And the thread pool has been ended explicitly at the end. If this is not done, then if the program gum of execution and never ended call show method on pool to end to executor. If you try to send another task to the executor after shutdown. Thank you.